Scientific studies suggest that meditation positively impacts emotional and physical health. Is it really a fact? Let's unclear your doubts. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind and eliminating the distractions to achieve a state of mental clarity and relaxation. While doing meditation, your focus and attention eliminate the stream of thoughts that may be crowding your mind and leading to stress. Benefits of meditation include reduced stress, improved concentration, and a sense of inner peace. Regular practice has been linked to better emotional sensation, enhanced resilience, and even physical health benefits like lowering blood pressure. By dedicating a few minutes daily to meditation, you can cultivate a more peaceful and centered mindset with which every determination can be achieved.